don't know if you can notice that whirling noise. That's coming from a pedal cell. It's been on 2.5 hours, 3 hours maybe. A slow 40 kilometers, lots of quiet lanes, in inverted commas, sandy lanes. Lots of, you know, windy roads and lumpiness and things like that. And in that time, it's gone from a power bank with hardly any juice to halfway full. Now bear in mind, this particular power bank has got 10,000 capacity, so I think that's pretty good. I think it's 2.5 times faster than your typical wheel-based dynamo. Hey folks, how you doing? Hope you're well. My name is Richard Lake and I'm an ultra cyclist and I'm out on the bike. Big adventure, 1,200 kilometers, 90 hours to do it. It's an Easter bank holiday, so I've got the bike fully loaded with things, including the thing that you're watching this video for, which is the PedalCell. Unlimited power, allows you to charge devices on the move. Absolutely brilliant. So I've had it on for about 3 or 4 hours. It's gone to 2 lights. On that particular power bank, that's 5,000 mAh. So how does it work? All it is, this runs on the rim and all the energy pushes up the cable to this box, and then you just connect USB devices to it. In my case, I've got it running straight into a power bank, and once that power bank's full, I will unplug it and just start charging my devices up straight afterwards. I'm really impressed. This is kind of first big test of the PedalCell, and it's doing a great job. So I started on Friday, Good Friday, in North Lincolnshire, right near the Humber, and I've cycled all the way down through Essex, and basically all I've done is charted the coastline all the way up. I'm the sort of ultra cyclist that does audax. Most ultra cyclists have indulged in audax at some point, so all against the clock. I need functional products that work well, and the PedalCell is ticking all the boxes. And as it's got about 50% energy, I'm just going to disengage it now. It's usually quite a simple process. I'm not sure how easy it is with one hand, so we're going to push this here and then turn that locking nut, and you can see there's a gap. So that's it, disengaged. If you've got any particular questions about the PedalCell, head down into the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them if you can. If I can't answer it, if you just Google PedalCell, we've got an FAQ and it's got answers to just about everything. Right, from me, I'll see you again soon. Take care, bye bye.